we got this afternoon. I'm going to show you all how to smoke without a smoker. I've been doing this for years, and I still don't have a real smoker yet, but I hope to get one by next week. We'll see what happens. But I'm going to show you all how to do this on a regular charcoal barbecue. We're going to smoke us some boneless chicken breasts. I already trimmed the fat off them and washed them off and all that. You can see over here I got the wood chips. These are soaking. These are hickory wood chips. I prefer those. And I'm going to show you what to do next out in the barbecue. What we're going to use is this old barbecue I got here. I've had this a long time. It actually works pretty damn well. I got the coals in there already. That's what I'm going to use. We're going to light them up. I'll show you the next step. Alright, that's what it's like when the coals are done. That's when you're ready. Throw on the wood chips. Start doing your chicken. Alright, so we're going to spread these wood chips out that we had soaking for probably over an hour. I like to soak them up pretty good. Throw them on there. Grate on. Chicken. One more top. Now you gotta close this up a little bit so them wood chips don't burn right up. So I take my little garden tool, hold that lid open just like that. I'm gonna let them go for a little while. We got that smoking up nice. Look at that. I'm just gonna shut that down a little bit. Let that smoke get all over that meat. I'm gonna open this up because I don't want to snuff the whole thing out. I just want to leave that smoke in there. You can see what's happening there. They're getting a nice color to them. So I'm just going to let this go with this open so it doesn't go out. I got my rear fence back here at about halfway. I don't know if anybody else out there in the real world has one of these but me. It works really, really well. I'm happy with this thing. I've had it a long time. I'm going to let that go. Alright, we're going to flip these bad boys over. Nice color on them. Look at that. Like out of a smoker. $19 barbecue. Right upstairs, how's he doing? A little slower than the rest. Alright. Down. Going just like that. Alright, we're gonna look at that baby. Look at beautiful. Let's flip him over again. Got my handy dandy meat thermometer. Got. Looking for 165, we got it. Get that one. That one don't got it. We're gonna stay on there a little longer. This one too. You get 165, you can pull them off. This one's done too. This one are done. Get them off there. The other ones go a little longer. Right back. There you go. Alright, we're gonna do a rat now with these guys. Down there. Good. Looking at 165. All good with that. Off. That's it. Smoke on the barbecue.